Today, I'm sharing the best practices and pro tips for using ChatGPT effectively. Whether you are a beginner or already using it daily, this is not the theory, this is the stuff that actually works in the real world. Tip 1: be clear, be specific. Okay, this sounds obvious, but it is everything. If you ask vague questions like, what's a good business idea? You will get the vague answers. But if you ask, give me 5 reputable online business ideas in 2025 that requires less than $500 startup cost. Now the response is sharp, focused, and actually pro and useful. The pro tip: add context. Instead of saying write a post, say write an Instagram caption in a fun, sarcastic tone for a product launch targeting Generation Z. More context is equal to better result always. Tip 2: treat it like a collaborator, not Google. This is not search, don't treat it like a one liner tool. ChatGPT works best when you talk to it like a smart intern or a co worker. Give it feedback, say things like, that's too long, make this sound more professional, it will respond and refine. You're not asking once, you are working together. Tip 3: break big tasks into steps. If you ask it to do everything at once, it might fumble. So instead of saying, write a business plan for my new app idea, break it down. Ask for a market analysis, then target audience, then revenue model, then go for the full business plan. Step by step is equal to deeper, better answers. Tip 4: use system messages or role prompts. Want ChatGPT to act like an expert? Tell it who it should be. Act like a career coach with 10 plus years of experience. You are a legal advisor helping a startup with contracts. Act like a nutritionist who specializes in vegan athletes. The tone, depth, and quality of answers get way better when you define the role. Tip 5: ask why, how, and what if questions. Go beyond facts. ChatGPT shines in thinking type questions. Why do startups fail even with funding? What if Apple stopped selling iPhones tomorrow? How can I reduce employee burnout without hiring more people? You will unlock smart, thoughtful, provoking responses that go beyond Google level stuff. Tip 6: use tools if you are on GPT-4 Plus plan. If you are using ChatGPT Plus, don't forget the powerful tools built in. File uploads, drop in PDFs, Word documents, Excel sheet, it will summarize or analyze them. Doll.e, generate or edit images. Code interpreter, analyze data, run math, create graphs. Voice mode, you can literally talk to it. Memory, it remembers your preferences and style, so it gets better the more you use it. If you are paying $20 per month and not using this, you are seriously leaving value on the table. Tip 7: refine, don't restart. You don't have to start a new chart every time something's off. Just say, can I rewrite that in 3 bullet points? Make this more causal. Add stats or rare examples. Think of it like stripping clay. The first draft is raw. You mold it into what you need. Tip 8: save your best prompts. When something works really well, save that prompt. Keep a Notion page, Google document, or folder where you collect your best ones. Because a great prompt today could save you an hour every time in the future. Bonus pro tips: use numbered instructions like give me 3 ideas and summarize them in one line each. Use examples in your prompt. Write a quote like Nike just do it for my footwear brand. Use formatting tricks. Say respond in a table or make this list easy to scan. These little things give you big control. My final thoughts: ChatGPT is not magic, it is a powerful tool that gets better the better you are with it. If you treat it like a lazy Google, you will get average answers. But if you treat it like a smart assistant, give it proper context, guide it, and refine the output, it is a total game changer. Whether you are writing, planning, learning, building, or brainstorming, ChatGPT can seriously multiply your productivity. Just don't expect gold from one line prompts. Talk to it, guide it, collaborate, and you will be shocked at what you can create. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite way to use ChatGPT right now. If you have got a killer prompt, drop it. I might feature it next time. See you in the next one.